Hello everyone and welcome back to the Cedi Investor. In today's episode, we are going over MTN Ghana. Looking at the Cedi farm portfolio, I started this portfolio 3 months ago and I'm already up 33.5%. That shows a wonderful return. In 3 months, 33%, amazing to see. We can see Enterprise Group is up 17%. Farm 32%, and MTN Ghana is up 45%, almost 46%. The company is currently trading at 4.52 Ghana cedis. We'll look at the price and we'll also look at the performance of the company. Like I said already, the company is up 45%. So I'm going to show you guys how I was able to get this 45% return in just 3 months and how you can also anticipate such a move so that you are able to do that in the future, to be able to know when a stock price is about to go up so you can also benefit from it. Let's get into the video. When we look at the chart, we can see that the company is up 80% year to date. It started off the year at around 2.5 Ghana cedis. It went to around 3.5 and back to around 2.8, and this was the level I started buying MTN in the Cedi farm portfolio. I made multiple videos about it, and since then we can see such a uptick. The company has risen and now trading to 4.52 Ghana cedis. And at this particular level, around this 3.7 level, I made another video talking about MTN. Looking at the Cedi Investor channel, you can see right here, 3 weeks ago, I did a video saying why you need to buy more MTN shares. And my reason for this particular video was that MTN share price had come down a little. Looking at the charts, it went from around 3.9 to 3.7. And I was claiming that the main reason for this was because of profit taking. People were taking profits out, and also because the parents group of MTN had flooded the market with a lot of shares. So now there was a lot of supply of MTN shares. As we could see, the demand for that particular shares has been so huge that now the stock price has surged massively to 4.52. So how was I able to, predict such a move? How was I able to buy MTN at such a good price that I've been able to make about 45% in just 3 months? And the simple answer is I did not know. And that is true for everything I invest in. Nobody knows why a stock price is going to go up. We don't know the reasons or the catalyst for why the share price of a company will start moving up all of a sudden or not. The only thing that I did know was that MTN was a great company and it was trading at a relatively fair to cheap value. I can sit here and praise myself for buying MTN at around 2.8 level and even claiming that it was a good buy around the 3.7 level, but honestly I did not know. The only thing that I did know was that MTN was a great company, a high quality company, trading at a fair valuation. And that's what you should strive for as an investor. To buy high quality companies, great companies, growing their fundamentals at a reasonable or even better yet, a cheap price. If you're able to do that, that is a catalyst for price growth itself. You might not know when the stock price is going to go up, but if that particular company continues to grow and maintain strong fundamentals, definitely the stock price will surely go up. We might not know if it's going to be now or the next 5 years from now, but it will surely go up. So like I said, looking at all these great returns, 17% to 45%, it's great to see them. But like I said, all I did here was to actually understand the companies I was investing in, know that these companies are strong, high quality companies that are growing very fast. I didn't know the price is going to rise for 17%, 32%, 45% within this 3 months period. I just knew that it was a good company trading at a reasonable to even better yet a cheap price or valuation. I mean, taking a look at MTN's earnings, the least amount they've grown their revenue in the past 4 years is by 28%. We can see from 6.7 to about 21 billion trailing 12 months. Look at their net income growing massively. The same can be said for the earnings per share. Look at this. And also the free cash flow as well, growing. And we know this free cash flow can be translated back to shareholders in terms of dividends and also even share buybacks. The company can buy more of its shares I don't think they're going to do that because right now the share price is a little bit moving towards a premium valuation. So I'm not sure they're going to do any share buybacks anytime soon. As they consistently grow their free cash flow, it means the company can consistently grow their dividends and also pay dividends consistently. This company literally is the definition of the highest quality company on Ghana Stock Exchange. The company is the leader in this sector. There's no company that is close to this particular company, growing revenues at a massive rate, high margins, dividend growth, growing their free cash flow. So honestly, that's the only thing I could say about this particular company. The only thing right now that probably I should note to you guys right now is looking at the P ratio. If you're a fan of relative analysis, the company based on PE is trading at the highest level or the most expensive level it has been. You could see it was trading at a very cheap level between 2020, 2023, even 2024. It was trading almost the same level as previous levels, but now it's trading at a massive level. So you should know that if you are going to buy this company now, you are probably buying it at an expensive, close to an expensive price. But should the company continue to grow like this over the next 5 to 10 years, definitely the fundamentals is going to match up to the share price and even accelerates past the share price. By the end of the day, that are just my thoughts and opinions. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below what you think. What do you think about what I said? Or do you have a different strategy? Are you able to actually predict the stock price going up or down? Let me know. I would really love to know that particular strategy. Probably is going to even help me in my investing. So I'd love to know. Thank you so much. Make sure to subscribe, comment down below, share, like. I'll really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Until we meet again, have a wonderful and blessed rest of your day. Peace.